We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The film It Doesn't Come Naturally, 天生没气 follows the bitter experience of a young man who looked forward to leaving his village, moving to the city, and starting working out in the wide world. However, before he has even properly started, his family has a crisis and he has to return to Yangmei and help out in the family business. As a Hakka, he is torn more than most other young Taiwanese between filial loyalty and the demands for a life of his own. He chooses to go back and help in the family business, which is bottling and selling gas. But he does so with a heavy heart, as all the memories of his youth and childhood of marking time in the claustrophobic society of family and countryside return to haunt him and make a mockery of his dreams of escape and succeeding somewhere else. It's our Hakka lesson of the day. Ngai Hei Joseph Ling.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
And we're here to teach people more about practical Hakka. And one thing that people need to watch out when they're out in the public is not to be too loud. You know, Ron Stewart is a classic example.
Joseph, hey, I heard that. What are you talking about?
I'm just kidding, Ron. 所以如果我们看到人家在外面大声吵的时候，就是讲话太大声了，要呼吁大家，就是说，或跟人家讲说，哎，不要讲那么大声，小声一点，会吵到别人。怎么说？
公共场所讲话要小声啲位，这样唔会吵到拍散。
那跟人家讲一句话要讲这么久。
好来，
来，我们 break it down。好，分段式。
公共场所。
公共场所是什么？
公共场所。
哦，a public area。OK， 公共场所。
讲话要小声啲位。
讲话要小声啲位。就是什么？讲话要小声一点吗？
错。
Oh, that means you need to speak softer when you're in the public.
这样唔会。
这样唔会 ，then you won't.
吵到拍散，
拍散是什么人？
拍散就是别人，
才不会吵到拍散。我以为你讲日文呢，我令赏啊，你是捧赏啊，拍散是什么人？
拍散
啊，拍散 is 别人。Speak softer so you won't disturb other people. 哦，好，我们再蕊一次好了。
公共场所，
公共场所 public area.
讲话要小声啲位，
讲话要小声啲位。You have to speak softer.
这样唔会，
这样唔会 then you won't.
吵到拍散，
吵到拍散 so you won't disturb other people. Okay, so there you have it. We should talk softer because ICRT is heard in public areas too. And so that's our Hakka lesson of the day.
是母太家，
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.